Let's take a deep dive into two eastern giants, two cities, two personalities, two heavyweights of eastern Nigeria. Today we pit Owerri, the entertainment powerhouse, against Enugu, the quiet giant built on hills and history. Which city truly has your heart? Which one offers the best lifestyle, opportunities, vibes, culture, food, and everything in between? Stick around, because what you are about to see may just settle these debates that have lasted for decades. Welcome to the ultimate showdown, Owerri versus Enugu. Owerri hits you immediately with energy. The moment you enter the city, it feels like a place that never sleeps. There are relaxation spots, clubs and bars everywhere. Some says, if your city has one club, Owerri has 10. And honestly, they might not be lying. Enugu, on the other hand, gives you peace, class, and organization. It is not trying to overwhelm you, rather, it is trying to comfort you. People always say Enugu is where you go to rest your brain. And truly, they mean it. These two cities are built differently. Enugu is literally the city on the hill. It is naturally beautiful. Valleys, rolling hills, green landscapes. The layout of the city feels intentional and calm. Owerri, on the other hand, is flat, open and wide. The roads stretch out beautifully, and it's very easy to move around. No hills, no steep climbs, just easy, breezy movement. Let's talk about the people. Owerri people and Enugu people do not behave the same, not at all. In Owerri, they love fun, they love clubbing, they love partying, they love enjoyment, they love looking good. If Owerri had a slogan, it would probably be, "We came to chill." They are warm, outspoken, lively, and always ready to vibe. Enugu people, on the other hand, are calm, respectful, and organized. If you meet somebody from Enugu, you don't need to be told. They move with a certain sense of ease. They are friendly, but not loud. If Owerri is a party, Enugu is a lounge. Owerri people are louder, flashier, and more social, while Enugu people are calmer, neater, and more reserved. Now we have reached the department where Owerri seems to be the undisputed champion. Hotels everywhere, clubs and lounges everywhere. Yes, you can step out of Owerri at 2 a.m. and find activities. Owerri is the Las Vegas of the East. From Cubana to cartel, Owerri does not come to play. Enugu's nightlife is more of a premium laid-back experience. It is more refined. They have great lounges, clubs, live bands and high-quality restaurants. Unlike Owerri, we are unlikely to find chaotic, aggressive partying in Enugu. Here is where things get interesting. In housing, Enugu is generally more expensive because of its planned layout and demands. Owerri offers more affordable housing options. Owerri food joints are everywhere and affordable. Enugu's restaurants are premium, high quality, but often pricier. Both cities have keke and buses, but Enugu is more regulated and orderly. Owerri transport is faster, sometimes cheaper, but more chaotic. When it comes to education and opportunities, Enugu, as a state capital with long history, has more institutions, government establishments, big firms and corporate opportunities. For people looking for steady jobs, Enugu offers more. Owerri, on the other hand, shines in hospitality, entertainment and small businesses. It is a great city for entrepreneurs who want to start something focused on lifestyle, nightlife and services. Enugu carries history on its shoulder. It doesn't just feel like a city with stories, it is a city with stories. Old coal city, colonial architecture, cultural sites and museums. Owerri is younger, more modern, more playful. It is not about the past, it is about the present and the enjoyment of life. Even with their differences, these cities share a lot. Both are extremely hospitable. Both are clean and beautiful in their own ways. Both have strong Igbo culture and pride. Both are perfect for food lovers. Both are growing rapidly and attracting people from all over Nigeria and beyond. They are like siblings, different personalities, but same strong family roots. So which city do you think is better? Which city truly has your heart? Well, there is no winner here, because these cities you are never competing. They are simply serving different kind of people. If you love nightlife, partying, hotel, cheaper living, loud and colorful vibes, Owerri is your city. If you love calmness, beautiful landscape, classy lifestyle, corporate opportunities, organized city life, Enugu is your city. Both cities shine, just in different ways. So what do you think? Which city do you prefer? The loud and vibrant Owerri or the calm and classy Enugu? Tell us in the comments. And if you are from any of these cities, represent your home proudly, but respectfully, because you know what they say, war starts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.